So now let's talk about the different types of showings. The very first one, which I just mentioned, are the properties that are owner occupied. So what that means is pretty much the owner still lives there, or someone does. Maybe it's a tenant, maybe it's the owner, but someone is still living in the home and you can only do appointments. The showings are by appointments only. So at this point, when your agent knows your schedule and they reach out to the listing agent, they can figure out a time slot to get you in there to see the home. The next type of showing are the showings for vacant properties. So these are properties that are obviously vacant, and many times these are super easy to show and you can just go at any time. The next type of showings are open houses. Now, I'm sure that you're very familiar with open houses. You've probably seen the signs on the weekends, and open houses are pretty much open to the public. Now, if you are going to be going by yourself, it is important that you let the agent there know that you are already working with an agent. Going to an open house, you can go by yourself or you can also go with your buyer's agent. And the last type of showing are the virtual showings. In the past year, we've seen a lot of people that perhaps did not want to travel, but they wanted to see homes. So everything was done virtually through FaceTime or Zoom or one of those platforms. So this again is still very common and another option for you to consider. Hi there, I'm Loida Velasquez, Realtor.com first-time home buying expert and agent with Team BC at eXp Realty. Are you ready to start packing? I mean, you probably already started your home search anyway, right? Well, in today's video, I will be sharing with you how to submit an offer, how to schedule showings, ways that us as agents can negotiate for you, and so much more. So you'll definitely want to make sure to check it out. For more tips like this, make sure to check out Realtor.com under the tips for buyers section. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone else, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel. Once again, I'm Loida, your Realtor.com expert, and I will see you on the next one.